What's going on, y'all? All right, so I'm going to give you a step-by-step here on how to copy and execute your account straight from Tradingview. Okay, so if you're trying to copy accounts and execute trades from Tradingview and you want that to be done through your prop firm, Apex, or whoever you're using, then this is going to be how to do it. I'm going to show you how. So ever since I've been using Tradingview and posting my trade reviews, and I've been posting my reels, people see that I'm executing right here on Tradingview, and they know I have rhythmic accounts, and they're asking me how do you do that? So this, I'm going to show you exactly how. So you can do this if you have multiple Trade Evade accounts, or if you have multiple rhythmic accounts, whatever it is, okay? But you do have to have at least one Trade Evade account. So what I personally do is I have an evaluation. I got it on one of Apex discounts where it recurs at 80% a month, 80% off a month. And I use that as my leader account. That's just my dummy account. It's an eval. I just use it. Maybe one day it gets funded and I use that as a leader. I don't care. I just use one micro on that just as my leader. Okay. And then from there, I copy to all of my other accounts. And like I said, I use rhythmic, Apex rhythmic accounts. Okay. So I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. You need, like I said, at least one Tradingview, or I'm sorry, Trade Evade account. Okay. So you'll see here, what you have to have is you link it. Let's log out here. You have to link your Trade Evade account here in Tradingview. Okay. Now, if you don't know how to do that, let me pull this over 1 second. Make sure you have your data, the API set up for your Trade Evade account. Okay. So what you're going to do is you're going to log into Trade Evade. Log into tradeevade.com using your Apex credentials or whatever prop firm you're using. All right. And then what you're going to do, you're going to go right here, application settings. Once you're in, click that. Okay. Now with Apex, they actually give you this for free. I don't know about all other prop firms. But Apex does. So if you have Apex, a Trade Evade account, then you're going to get the API connection to Tradingview for free. Normally it's $9.99. So what you're going to do is you're going to go to add-ons and make sure this is activated. Okay, Tradingview. Right here, it'll say free if your prop firm offers it for free. You'll click activated. It may already be activated, but you'll do that. Click that, make sure that's there. Okay, once you do that, you're good. You can get out of Tradingview. I'm sorry, Trade Evade. And then you come into Tradingview. You're going to click down here. You're going to open that up. Let me move me over. You're going to click this little arrow down here. Open that up. You're going to find Trade Evade. And then you're going to log in using your Apex or whatever prop firm you're using, those credentials. Okay, it's always demo. So you're going to connect. Okay. Then you're going to see Trade Evade here. You're going to see the little green dot if the market's open, that you're connected to the live data. All right. Now that's all you do here in Tradingview. Now what you're going to do is you're going to have, you need NinjaTrader. Okay. So if you don't have NinjaTrader, download that. The instructions are on the Apex Trader Funding website or whatever prop firm you're using. They should have instructions on how to get NinjaTrader. So once you do that, you're going to come over here. You're going to have your NinjaTrader. Open that up. And you need to connect to inside NinjaTrader. Whether you have Rhythmic or Trade Evade, it doesn't matter. All right. So connect. Go to configure. And then you're going to select Rhythmic for NinjaTrader brokerage, or you're going to select NinjaTrader and log in with your credentials. Okay. So here I logged in with my credentials. I have my Apex and Tradingview. So for example, if you're going to be using Rhythmic accounts, you need to have both. The dummy account or whatever you're using for Tradingview, you have to have a leader for Tradingview. You're gonna create a connection for Tradingview, and then you're gonna create a connection for your Rhythmic, because you have to connect to both. If you're not using any Rhythmic accounts, don't worry about the Rhythmic one. Just do Tradingview, right? Okay. So then also, if you have a live personal account, you can do that as well. Just have that connection there. And then what's going to happen is once you put in your credentials and then you connect, so I'm going to connect to Rhythmic. There we go. We got the green Rhythmic connected. And then I'm going to connect to Tradingview. There we go. They're both connected now. So when you go to accounts, any account that you connected to, you're going to list it here. And then even if you connect to a live account, you're going to see your live account as well. Okay. So you'll see everything connected. That's important. You need to see that. As long as you see it all here, then you're fine. Then once you go to your copier, you're going to open up your copier, whatever copier you're using. This is the Apex copier. All right, so now we have the copier here. Now you're going to have all your accounts listed, and all you do is just select your leader and then select your followers. But your leader, remember, your leader has to be absolutely necessary. This has to be whatever Tradingview account you have linked in Tradingview, okay? Because once you execute here in Tradingview, that's going to copy as your leader to whatever accounts you have selected here. All right. So that's it. That's all you have to do. So again, quick recap. Make sure your API access, your add-on access to Tradingview in Tradingview is set up, okay, inside Tradingview. And then make sure you are connected here in Tradingview with your Tradingview account. And then make sure your data connections in NinjaTrader are all there, and then use the copier to connect them all, to copy. And then have your leader as the Tradingview here. So once you execute here, it'll copy to all those accounts. It's really that simple. That's it. But I've had a lot of people ask me how to do it. Those are the steps. And yeah, that's it. Hope you have a great day. And as always, trade well, everybody.
Yeah.